morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday morning. I kind of, after doing a little bit of work and my brain was just fried, I decided to take most of the day off. Yeah, I deserve them. And thank God that dinner was super easy. Yeah, I know. Last night was chili dogs and fries. Super simple. No recipes being posted today. I think you can all figure it out. Super simple, super easy. Tonight, I am doing creamy Thai red curry with shrimp and jasmine rice. Love me a good red curry, especially Thai. Let's get to it. Hardware's out. Got the brazier going and the crockery for the jasmine rice. Got some shrimp. This is a mixture of sizes. So yeah, it happens. Kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of oil to do some of the sautéing in the brazier. Coconut milk. The other half of the red onion I used yesterday from the farmer's market. Half a red bell pepper, which I'll do a rough chop. And half of this gray zucchini or gray squash. And the sauce basically is real simple. Again, coconut milk, chicken stock, fish sauce, red curry paste, lime juice, and good old brown sugar. And the garnish is fresh basil. Yeah. And my jasmine rice to put underneath all this lusciousness. The container's not as sexy as my other one, but it works. So here's the goodies for tonight's meal. Just so you know, the shirts are available. They're not on the website yet. That's one of the things I didn't do yesterday. I just did not have the brain power. Yeah. But if you would like to purchase one, you can contact me directly. Okay? So with that, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.